Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, where I share with you the best tips and recommendations on tech products, gadgets, and apps. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the best tech products to use during the summer. That will help you stay cool, entertained, and connected. So if you want to know what these products are, keep watching this video until the end. Before we start, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. You can also follow me on my social media, where I share more interesting and fun content. The links are in the video description. Alright, let's get started with the products. The summer is a time to enjoy the outdoors, go on vacation, or just relax at home. But it can also be a challenge for our tech devices, especially when it comes to heat, humidity, and dust. That's why I've selected some of the best tech products that are designed to withstand these conditions and make your summer more enjoyable. Sony SRS-XB43. The first product I want to show you is the Sony SRS-XB43, a portable wireless speaker that delivers powerful sound and extra bass. This speaker is perfect for summer parties, picnics, or beach trips because it has a long battery life of up to 24 hours, a water-resistant and dust-proof design, and a built-in microphone for hands-free calls. You can also connect it to your smartphone via Bluetooth or NFC, and use the Sony Music Center app to customize the sound settings, lighting effects, and party mode. The Sony SRS-XB43 comes in various colors and costs around $200. Samsung Galaxy Watch. Now let's go with the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, a smartwatch that helps you track your fitness and wellness goals. This watch has a sleek and lightweight design that fits comfortably on your wrist and a durable screen that resists scratches and water. You can also choose from different styles and sizes to suit your taste. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 has many features that make it ideal for summer activities, such as GPS, heart rate monitor, sleep tracker, stress level detector, and more. You can also receive notifications from your phone, make payments with Samsung Pay, and control your music with Spotify. Anker PowerCore. The next product I want to share with you is the Anker PowerCore, a portable charger that can power up all your devices on the go. This charger has a huge capacity of 25,600 mAh, which means it can charge your smartphone up to 6 times, your tablet up to 4 times, or your laptop up to 1 time. It also has 3 ports, one USB-C port that supports power delivery up to 60 W, and 2 USB-A ports that support Power IQ 3.0 up to 18 W. This means you can charge 3 devices at the same time with fast and safe speeds. The Anker PowerCore comes with a travel pouch and a USB-C cable. The Kindle Oasis. This Producto is an e-reader that lets you enjoy thousands of books without carrying any weight. This e-reader has a 7-inch high-resolution display that adjusts its brightness automatically according to the ambient light. It also has a warm light option that reduces eye strain at night. The Kindle Oasis is waterproof, so you can read in the pool or the beach without worrying about splashes or sand. You can also access millions of books, magazines, comics, and audiobooks with Kindle Unlimited or Audible subscriptions. DJI Mini 2. Now let's go with the next product, the DJI Mini 2, a compact drone that lets you capture stunning aerial photos and videos. This drone is easy to fly, thanks to its intuitive controller and app. It also has a 12MP camera that can shoot 4K videos at 30 FPS or 1080p videos at 60 FPS. The DJI Mini has a long flight time of up to 31 minutes and a transmission range of up to 10 km. You can also use features like quick shots, panorama, and enhanced photo to create amazing shots with just a few taps. A neck fan has become an indispensable accessory for those who want to stay cool while on the move. This innovative device is designed to provide a refreshing breeze that circulates around your neck, keeping you comfortable during various activities. Whether you're enjoying a leisurely stroll, engaging in a brisk run, or simply basking in the sun's rays, the beauty of a neck fan lies not only in its cooling functionality, but also in its fashionable and adaptable designs. Available in an array of sizes, styles, and colors, neck fans offer a personalized touch to your cooling experience. The adjustable straps ensure a snug fit, while the choice of multiple speeds caters to your desired airflow intensity. Many neck fans are equipped with built-in rechargeable batteries that can be conveniently powered up via USB, guaranteeing that your cooling companion remains ready to serve whenever and wherever you need it. Cooling towel. A cooling towel has emerged as a game changer in combating the sweltering heat. Crafted from specialized materials, these towels are imbued with a cooling agent that transforms them into a refreshing oasis for your skin. The mechanism is simple yet effective. When the towel comes in contact with moisture, it initiates an evaporation process that absorbs excess heat from your skin, leaving you feeling revitalized and invigorated. These towels are not only practical, but also eco-friendly, as they can be reused multiple times after a simple re-wetting. The cooling sensation they provide is a blissful relief, making them an essential addition to outdoor adventures, workouts, and any situation where staying cool is a priority. Forget about lugging around cumbersome fans. A cooling towel offers a compact, versatile solution to beat the heat. Rechargeable fan. The rechargeable fan with an emergency light is the ultimate tool for outdoor enthusiasts and those who prioritize preparedness. This versatile device seamlessly combines two critical functionalities, keeping you cool and providing illumination in emergency situations. Whether you're camping, hiking, or navigating unexpected power outages, this gadget has you covered. With varying fan speeds, a rechargeable battery that can endure extended use, and a powerful LED light, this two-in-one device ensures you stay comfortable and safe in any circumstance. Its compact design and portability make it an essential addition to your adventure gear or emergency kit, ensuring you're ready to face any situation while staying comfortable and well-lit. Ice cream maker. An ice cream maker is a delightful gateway to culinary creativity and a surefire way to indulge in cooling treats on scorching days. Offering the pleasure of crafting your own delectable frozen desserts, these machines come in diverse sizes and styles to cater to your preferences. Unleash your inner chef by experimenting with various flavors, textures, and ingredients to concoct ice creams that perfectly suit your taste. Whether it's a creamy classic or a dairy-free delight, an ice cream maker transforms hot afternoons into moments of sweet refreshment. From countertop wonders to portable companions, these machines empower you to turn your kitchen into a frozen paradise. Mini USB fridge. Stay satiated and hydrated, regardless of your location. The mini USB fridge has redefined the concept of on-the-go refreshment. This compact portable fridge is tailor-made for those seeking a convenient way to keep their beverages and snacks refreshingly cold, even when they're far from home. Whether you're sunbathing at the beach, picnicking in the park, or embarking on a road trip, this gadget is your ticket to chilled indulgence. Boasting a capacity that accommodates drinks and snacks, a mini USB fridge offers a convenient and stylish solution for cooling your treats. Powered by a simple USB cable, it effortlessly integrates into your lifestyle, plugging into laptops, power banks, or any USB power source. Cool Gel Seat Cushion. A cool gel seat cushion is your oasis of comfort during scorching days, especially when dealing with hot car seats or benches. Crafted with an innovative cooling gel, these cushions absorb heat from your body, providing a soothing sensation that counters the heat's discomfort. Designed with soft, breathable fabrics that wick away moisture, these cushions offer relief while preventing discomfort caused by sweat. Easily maintained through machine washing, a cool gel seat cushion is a practical and versatile solution that ensures you stay cool and comfortable in any seating situation. USB air conditioner. The USB air conditioner represents a pint-sized powerhouse in the realm of personal cooling. Perfect for small spaces such as bedrooms, offices, or even tents, this compact device connects to your laptop or power bank to deliver a refreshing breeze when the heat becomes unbearable. Though it may not match the cooling capacity of traditional air conditioning systems, its efficiency in confined spaces makes it a reliable companion on sweltering days. It's a portable solution that adapts to your needs, offering cooling relief wherever you require it the most. Stay comfortably cool while conserving energy with the convenience of a USB air conditioner. These are some of the best tech products to use during the summer that I wanted to show you today. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below telling me which product was your favorite, or if you have any other suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media for more tech tips and reviews. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.